Most people think they know the story of Poland. They see a country defined by its past, by the scars of war, the cold gray of the Iron Curtain, and a map that has been redrawn more times than almost any other in Europe. But what if I told you that everything you think you know about this country is only half the story? Because the Poland that exists today is not just a survivor of history, it's one of Europe's most remarkable reinventions. Today, Poland isn't just surviving, it's thriving. It is a place where medieval fairy tales meet futuristic innovation, where you can wander through a forest that scientists still can't explain, and then dine in a city that was literally rebuilt from ashes, brick by painstaking brick. Today we're going beyond the typical tourist trails to discover the real Poland, the one that locals keep close to their hearts. This is the story of a nation that refused to disappear, and to understand how Poland became what it is today, you have to begin with its greatest strength: resilience. To understand Poland's present, you have to look at its resilience. After the Second World War, the capital of Warsaw was essentially a field of rubble, but the people did something nearly impossible. Using old paintings and architectural sketches, they rebuilt the entire old town exactly as it was. Today, when you walk these streets, you aren't just looking at buildings, you are looking at an act of defiance, a reminder that even when everything is lost, a nation's spirit can rebuild what history tried to erase. This spirit of making it work is everywhere. From the shipyards of Gdańsk, where the spark of freedom once ignited, to the tech hubs of the South, there is an energy here that feels younger and more ambitious than in much of Western Europe. It's a success story that doesn't scream for attention. It just proves itself every single day through hard work and a deep pride in cultural identity. But some of Poland's most fascinating stories aren't found in its cities. They're hidden in its landscapes. But the real magic of Poland often lies away from the concrete. If you travel to the northwest, you'll find the crooked forest. Here, 400 pine trees grow with a mysterious 90-degree bend at their base. No one knows why. Was it a unique tool used by carpenters 80 years ago? Or a freak of nature? The silence here is heavy, and it's one of those places that reminds you how much of our world is still a mystery. And beyond these forests, another kind of natural wonder waits in the south. Then, there are the Tatras, often called the Polish Alps. These mountains offer a rugged, untouched beauty that is becoming rare in Europe. In the town of Zakopane, you'll hear the distinct folk music of the Highlanders and see wooden architecture that has remained unchanged for centuries. It's a place where the air is crisp, the traditions are ironclad, and the landscapes look like they've been pulled straight from a storybook. But to truly understand Poland, you have to experience something even more important than its landscapes: its hospitality. You cannot understand Poland without sitting at its table. Polish culture is built on hospitality. There's an old saying, gość w dom, Bóg w dom, which means a guest in the house is God in the house. Whether it's a plate of handmade pierogi in a milk bar, or a complex modern dish in a Michelin-starred restaurant, the focus is always on quality and connection. It's about welcoming strangers as friends, and that connection runs deeper than food. Ah, whoa! This connection extends to the land itself. Whether it's the golden autumn, when the forests turn a brilliant copper, or the quiet snowy winters, the Polish people have a deep poetic relationship with their environment. It's a country that invites you to slow down, to notice the details, and to appreciate the beauty in the struggle. Because that quiet strength is the true heart of Poland. Poland is a country that has been erased from the map before, but it could never be erased from the hearts of its people. It is a destination that rewards the curious, the explorers who are looking for more than just a selfie. Because in Poland, every street, forest, and mountain carries a piece of a story that refuses to fade. The miraculous rebirth of the cities, or the mystery of the ancient forests. Let me know in the comments below. If you love this cinematic journey, don't forget to subscribe to Global X. So, I want to hear from you. Which part of this journey moved you the most? We share new stories every week, helping you travel deeper and see the world differently. And the next destination might be even more extraordinary.